kids! Let's help Bunny beat the sugar bugs.
Buddy had some sweets today, candies, cakes, and taffy play. He giggled, chewed, and filled his plate. Sweets and goodies, oh so great. He munched on treats without a care, with frosting stuck up in his hair. So many lollies, pies, and gum, he didn't stop till he ate some. But one day Buddy felt a pain, a toothache made him stop again. He held his cheek and said, "Oh no, what's happening? Why does it hurt so?" "Oh-wee-oh-gee," Buddy cried with tears of worry in his eyes. He frowned and dropped his candy stick. His smile was gone, he felt so sick. Inside his mouth a crew appeared, tiny sugar bugs that Buddy feared. They danced and giggled all around, building homes on teeth they found. They made plaque houses side by side, with candy roofs and chocolate slide. They chewed and stuck like sticky glue. "Let's party here," said Sugar Crew. But Mimi came with brush held high, with sparkle in her caring eye. "No worries, Buddy, I've got you. Let's brush those sugar bugs in two." She brushed in circles, nice and slow, from top to bottom, row by row. The sugar bugs went new, not fair, then ran off fast with frizzy hair. Then Olivia Owl flew into view, with wisdom, kindness, stories too. Too much sugar every day can make those sugar bugs come play. Brush at night and in the morn, that's how healthy teeth are born. Floss and rinse and you will see a happy mouth from A to Z. Now Buddy brushes every night. His teeth are clean and shining bright, with Mimi's help and wisdom too. He knows exactly what to do. Brush your teeth both left and right, morning and evening, keep them bright, with water, paste, and brushing fun. A healthy smile for everyone.